Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to reset maintenance required message in Volvo XC40. First of all, we have to press the engine start and stop button once. Now we've got power. Next thing that we have to do is to press the minus button on the steering wheel. Press and hold and keep holding. Next thing, we'll start the vehicle, press the brake pedal and start the engine, and shortly you'll see the yellow exclamation mark on the central display. Here it is, and now you have to release the minus button, and as you can see, maintenance reminder is currently reset. So the trick is to release this minus button while the yellow exclamation mark is still flashing on the instrument panel or display in this case. Now when you go to your car status application and you go to the service menu option, you will see that your service will be reset to 360 days or 16,000 kilometers.